So let me introduce myself again. Okay, it's open source and free software, so everyone can use that. After you plug in the Intel Neural Compute Stick 2 and you download this software from the internet, it's free without any charge. Then your computer will become AI computer. And this software is very interesting. You don't need to install any extra additional software for that. For example, Python, for example, CUDA, cuDNN, for example, OpenVINO. The software contains every software you need inside one package. Okay, I will do it again. So first, you need to download the software from this link. It's very easy to search by using the keyword OpenR8. It's our software name, and it's free open source AI software and download. And you can use this link to download this software. And after that, unzip that on your desktop. Then go into Inside and choose this one, OpenR8. And if you have GPU in your computer, then you choose this one, R8 Python 3.6 GPU. If you don't have GPU in your computer, you choose this one, this CPU.bat. Okay, double click it. Then you will see a browser user interface. It's very easy. Without coding, then you can do the AI inference and training. Okay, and of course, we have the mouse user interface. So open this, OpenVINO. And if you have this one, you can choose the myriad.py and run it. Okay, it's very easy. Everyone can use that. And if you have the software background, okay, this software, you will love this software because this software is open source. You can check the open source code by click this one, workspace, and you can see all the source code inside here. Then you can modify by yourself. And all of this, they are totally free. Okay. Okay, let me do more demo for you. For example, we have some interesting demo for the industry. Okay, this one is AOI, automatic optical inspection. Okay, as you can see, it's very fast. The frame rate is more than 70 frames per second. It's a very powerful tool to do the AI inference. And this algorithm is object detection. We have many solutions inside this software. Okay, I can show you. For example, we have wafer inspection, IC inspection, copper foil inspection, LCD panel inspection, PCB inspection, and many other solutions. Okay, and we provide browser user interface. It's very easy to use, and we optimize Python AI engine to make Python to be faster. It's around 20% faster than the normal one, than the normal Python AI engine, and we provide optimized open source. And of course, we provide multi-language user interface, and we provide documents, papers, and it's green software. You can just run this software without any installation, without any extra additional software. And it's very easy to export it to C++. Then you can have a faster performance in your own applications. And we integrate many AI frameworks, of course, OpenVINO, Caffe, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Keras. And we provide many AI algorithms like image classification, object detection, image segmentation, and many deep learning networks, AlexNet, MobileNet, VGG, ResNet, Inception, and many algorithms, single shot detection, YOLO v3, faster Gaussian, mass Gaussian, and image data augmentation. This algorithm is very interesting. It's very powerful for the bio image inspection. For example, the medical image, and for the agricultural images, and of course the remote sensing images. It's very suitable for the bio images. And we provide data analysis algorithms for the CNN, for the RNN, DNN, regression forest, and the XGBoost. And we provide to many operating systems, for example, the Windows and the Linux, and we support many AI hardware. Of course, Intel and other vendors. And this software is very powerful and free, and I will show more solutions for you. For example, if you would like to train your own data set, it's very easy to choose the solutions from this user interface. And for example, okay, I would like to check, okay, to check the PCB. Okay, I can choose this one. Then we prepare 1, 2, 3 steps. First one to prepare and clean data. The second one is to train data. And third one is to do the inference. So I will try this one, train, and then run it. Okay, and this solution, we use the TensorFlow to be the backend. And all of the solutions, they are based on the edge device. That means you don't need to upload your data to the cloud because more than 50% the company, they don't want to upload their confidential data to the cloud. Okay, so it's very easy. So it starts to train the data. Okay, if you would like to do the inference, it's very easy. Just stop it, then open inference, and use run. Okay, it will take a while to initial the TensorFlow. Okay, and as you can see, we can do some object detection by using this example. And more and more school teachers, they use this software to be their lecture material because it's free and open source. And we provide many interesting solutions in this software. For example, let me check. Okay, OpenVINO. Okay, YOLO v3. This one is famous in the industry, and we can do the training. Okay, it's very easy without any coding. Okay, it will take a while to start training. It's the actually it's a problem of TensorFlow because the initial time is very long. So there are many people, they are transformed to the PyTorch, which is designed by Facebook. The PyTorch performance is better. And in our company, we use the Cafe platform. This platform is even faster than this one. And for the YOLO algorithm, they provide the TensorFlow edition, TensorFlow version, and also they provide the C++ version. And if you are doing some research or you are design in the product, I suggest you can use the C++ version of YOLO v3. Okay, finally it starts the training procedure. Okay, because our time is limited, So I will start this training procedure. Okay. Okay. And if you finish your training, you can do the inference by using this one. And very easy, just simply click run, then you can see the result. Okay. Maybe we need to wait for 10 seconds. Okay. Oh, finally. Okay, as you can see, we can do the object detection by the LeaderG algorithm. And of course, we have many algorithms. If you are interested in that, you can just download this software by searching the OpenR8 in Google. Then you will find the download point. Okay, and next, I will introduce the applications for you. How to use AI in industry by using this user interface, web user interface. As you can see, this is our company. We are the manufacturer of the factory machines, and we have many factory solutions. For example, this one humanoid robot, and this one inspection machine for the wafer, and is for a lab. And this one is, of course, for the wafer. And this one for the IC inspection. And let me show you how to use this free open source in your own factory machine. Okay, it's a IC defects inspection machine, and it can replace the operator in the factory. After our customer, they start to use this machine in their IC packaging factory. They have 60 employees in that production line before. Now they only have 15 employees in that production line. So the AI impact, the AI influence, the impact of AI is very huge at the factory site, because originally they have 60 operators. Now they only have 15. So they cut off the 75% employees by using AI. So it's a very huge impact. And we have another customer in China. They have 5,000 employees in one production line. And after they use AI, they have 0 employees in that production line, 0. So it's very huge impact. So that China factory in Shandong, north of China, they can save lots of money by using AI. So it's a very huge impact at this moment by using these AI technologies. And so our investor, the biggest bank in Taiwan, and the general manager, he asked me, Minda, can you sleep well during the midnight? Because your technology, you cause so many people to lose their job. And I said, okay, I indeed, I cannot sleep well, indeed. So that's why I start to manufacture those machines in order to get my sleep well. And we start to introduce the free open source AI software for everyone, at this moment. And this software is very easy for everyone. For those people who are replaced by UI, they can learn how to use AI without any software background. Because at this moment, this world, only 1% people can do the software programming at this moment. So that means 99% people, they don't know how to use the AI software programming. So that's why we need to make AI to be very simple at this moment to help those people to get started, to learn how to use AI without being replaced by AI. Okay, that's the moment, that's the purpose of this software. And it's totally free and open source. Okay, next. We have some advanced machine, and this one is very amazing. And this one we make the wafer inspection machine to be very big, and it's very high-speed inspection for very little objects, less than 10 micron. Less than 10 micron. It's very little objects. So this machine can do the inspection very fast, and the speed is faster than normal operator. Is around 200% faster than normal operator. So it's a very efficient machine. So that means in their factory, they cut off 50% employees. Okay. Okay. So I stopped to make the killing machine right now. Okay. And we have many machines, and of course we have some other application. For example, okay, we can detect the traffic. Okay, we can detect traffic. Okay, and this one is very good because no one wants to stand here. It's very hot to do the car counting. Okay, and this one also can do the counting for the motorcycle. Okay, and we have other solutions. Okay, for example, the self-driving car. Okay, but our solution is only for the factory inside the factory or inside the school, because if we make the car to be outside, I mean on the normal road, that will be a problem for the low problem, because we need to get some license to make the self-driving car on the normal road. And if we are making the self-driving car inside the factory, then it's okay, or inside the school. And of course, we have some algorithms to do some detection. For example, if those employees, they are working very hard, we can we can do the inspection, audit, and check them. Okay, and of course we can do some index in the video. It's very useful for the TV station and to detect which product is on TV, on screen right now. For example, this one, or they have some products, or this is the famous lady in Taiwan who can detect, okay, in this moment, at this moment, okay, we have this lady in this video. We can do some video indexing. And of course, another video indexing is we can do it very accurate and at a very high speed by using our free open source software. Okay, and we have many solutions. For example, we can measure the 3D dimensions. Okay, to check if this plan is flat or not, and we can have some other solutions for the factory. Okay. So except the image analysis, we provide the data analysis functions. Okay, I will show you. It's very easy to do the data analysis, and usually the factory, they will introduce the data analysis first. For example, if they can analyze their big data in their factory and make the quality, the throughput to be higher, or the quality is become better, for example, 95% to be 96%, then that will save a lot of money. Okay, so usually the factories, they will introduce AI for the data analysis first. And we provide several data analysis algorithms. For example, this one, the regression forest, okay, to analyze the factory process data. And it's very easy without coding. Then you can see the relationship between the predict values and the true value. Okay, next. Okay, we have many data analysis solutions. Here, convolution 1D, CNN, LSTM, RNN, and the regression forest, and so on. And of course, we provide the open source. So your engineers, they can study how to do the data analysis by using our source code. Okay, it's very easy. And we have another interesting functions. It's called stock analysis. And usually I will introduce this solution to our customers, and to use this one to predict their company stock price after 5 days. And I tell them, if the forecast, the prediction is correct, then you come back to me after 5 days. Okay, and always 100% they will come to me after 5 days. For example, we have a wafer foundry customer. They just got the stock share at 90 US dollar, 90 Taiwan dollar, New Taiwan dollar, 90. And he asked me if they need to sell it right now or he need to keep it. Then I do the forecast for him, and the AI said the stock price will be 78 after 5 days. That means the stock price will go down from 90 to 78. And after 5 days, their stock price become 75. Okay, so they start to ask if we have more advanced service for them to do some process data analysis to improve their quality of products or improve the throughput of products, because we have many powerful algorithms integrated in this software. Okay, and we have some interesting demos. This demo is we are Intel partners, so we went to the Intel Partner Connect event. last month, and as you can see, it's fast, very fast. AOI, automatic optical inspection demo in Australia, in Sydney. And the accuracy of this inspection is much more than the human. And this one, we use the Intel IPC and this Intel Neural Compute Stick 2 to do the multiple AI analysis. For example, this one, calculate, barcode, QR code, and this one is for the IC service inspection. And this one is for the PCB inspection. And then for this one is face analysis, calculate. Okay, so it's very easy to use our software to implement your own solutions. And of course, it's very cost effective. If you buy this one, it's less than $100 per unit. So after you use that in your computer, then your computer will become AI computer after you install this OpenVINO and the Neural Compute Stick 2 and the OpenR8 AI software. Okay. Okay, so that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your time. Thank you.